Hi, my name is Romeo.
Hi, my name is Raven.
And today we're going to be giving you a tour of Springs Complex.
Yay!
Wow. Okay, go ahead. You can start whatever you want.
All right. This is the Commons. This is where you get your packages, where there's an activity room, there's bathrooms if you need them, there's laundry as well. We'll see that in just a moment. So these are our mailboxes. This is where you'll get any regular mail that's not like packages or orders. This is where you'll get like envelopes or letters, all that stuff here. When you check in, you'll get 2 keys, one for your room and one for your box. And it'll be any one of these corresponding to your room. You get all your stuff there.
So these are our Pack City lockers. Basically, when you order a package, it is delivered to the university and then it is distributed evenly to the residence halls, and then once your package is ready to be received, it will be in this locker. You'll scan your QR code that you'll get via your UFL email, and then these little things will pop open and your package will be ready for you to receive it.
And the lockers. Maybe we can do them both in one go. Maybe.
Okay. This is our area desk. This is where you can come to get any information on our complex that you need. You can pick up your keys here. You can ask our desk assistants for any help. When you get locked out of your room, this is where you'll come to ask them to give you a temporary key so you can get back into your room. So if an RA is ever unable to help you, you can always come to our desk and our wonderful desk assistants will help you. So now we're gonna head upstairs to our common rooms.
Okay, so here are 2 of our common rooms in the upstairs of the Commons. This one is the activity room where students can hang out or chat or study together. It's designated as an activity space, so it's not restricted to certain volume levels. But if you want to have a peaceful, quiet study time, here is the library where there are a couple books. I think there's someone in there right now. And you can study, have a peaceful time. If you want to do some group collaboration, it has to be kept to a minimal level of volume. But otherwise, this is where that can be done.
This is our laundry room. Just like any typical laundry room that's on campus, you can scan those QR codes through our CSC Go app. You got to pay a little small fee to wash and dry your clothes, but they make it really quick and simple. So you come in, put your stuff in, leave, come back, get it, put it in the dryer, and it's quick and easy.
All right, and now for the main event, where you will actually be living. These are our 6 Springs buildings. 1 and 2 is over there. Springs 3 and 4 is over here. And then buildings 5 and 6 are all the way to the left.
Welcome to the inside of the building. Basically how the building is set up is on the left side, or my left, is Springs 1, and then on the right side is Springs 2. Depending on where you live, you'll know which side of the building that you'll go to, but it's all will be under one floor. We have our elevator right here to make going up those floors a little bit easier during move-in and during classes and everything. We all, as RAs, individually decorate our floors, so we have a little something fun for each floor.
Wow.
Okay, so now that we're in the actual halls, these are where everyone's rooms are. Most of them are doubles, but there's a couple singles. And what that means is for every room where there's 2 roommates, you'll be connected to another suite with another 2 roommates. And those are connected through 1 bathroom with a toilet and 2 sinks and a big mirror. And over here is our lounge room with a kitchen. There's a stove, there's a sink, there's a microwave and an oven. And as well as some tables to eat at.
Hi everyone, my name is Georgianne and this is my dorm. So of course the desk came with the room, the chair, as well as the bed frame, but everything else I added myself. Tried to add a little pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? On personal touch, right.
That.
Now I'll get into the bathroom. She needs to be cleaned.
Okay.
But this is the bathroom. Everything in here I shared with my roommate Tiffany. We've known each other since summer B of our freshman year, which is really amazing. But this is the bathroom, pretty plain. We're gonna get more Halloween decor stuff, so I'm very excited about that. And I know y'all saw my pumpkin over there.
Ew, y'all see her
Hey, it's Bobby.
Hey Bobby, how are you doing?
Bobby's adorable.
Oh, Bobby's
This
very
is my
cute.
right.
Yes.
Don't play.
Okay. And then this over here, this is the closet,
Oh,
right?
yeah, the closet. Okay. Of course this came. But everything else I added myself. This is my record player up here. I got some records back there. I'm trying to like put those on my desk in a little bit. But I have more posters I want to add to the walls and stuff like that. I really want to like make this space like my own because it's my first time ever having like my own room.
Oh, period.
Like, ever. So I'm very, very excited. Y'all see the space. Y'all see the vibe. Pink. Lots of pink.
Lots of pink.
Lots of pink. Right.
Okay, so like for context, y'all, this is a single suite if you live here. A double would be double the size with double the furniture. So everything she said it came with, it'd be multiplied by 2.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.